Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing the Not Polish Medium Mystery Box for Christmas 2023. Sorry about that, that's my cat jumping up on my table. This video is just going to be me showing you everything that I've got in the box. And then I will also release a video after this of me swatching the colours of the stuff that I get in here for you, with a story time about Not Polish and customer service, and basically what a terrible experience I've had with them. But that will be in the next video. This one is just going to be me showing you everything that I've got. So I'm just going to move this box off to the side and I will get everything out. Right, so let's start with the smallest things first. We have got 2 nail files, and we have got a liner gel, in what looks like a sparkly silver, if I can open it. It's called Big Spenders Platinum. I'm not going to be able to give you a quick view on what this looks like because I can't open the blinking thing. Oh right, yeah, no, I'm going to have to run that under some hot water or something because I can't open it. Ooh, that came out. Then the next thing we have got is Not Polish Press It Tip Glue Gel in 15ml. And then here we have the Not Polish Gloss It UV LED. Now these are a bit different because in other mystery boxes they got a top coat, a base coat and a white liner, and I got a tip glue gel, a top coat and a silver liner. We have got the Not Polish Triple X Tips Square C Curve 500 nails. Now this I am surprised to see is the 8-ounce liquid monomer. Now I know in all the other media mystery boxes everyone got one of these, but I was not expecting to get this, and I'll explain in the next video, but I have their monomer. What I have got is this little box, Not Polish Sculpt It. Now I can see in the box, and I haven't got the colour palette. Now everybody else who got the medium box got the Not Polish colour palette with like 16 different colour powders in it. I haven't got it, but I've got this. Shall we open it? So it is 30 grams, a UV LED quick build nail gel. So let's open it up, take that thing off, and as far as I can tell it just looks like a clear. Then here we have the matching lacquer and gel polish. That sticker wasn't stuck down. And we have 6 of them. So let's just pull them all out. So the first one we have got, move that off to the side because my camera won't want to focus on it. The first thing we have got is this one here. It looks like a white. So not polish, that's the lacquer. Let's get the gel polish out. Gel colour, and this is milky white. Why does my camera not want to focus? There we go, milky white. Then the next colour we got is OG Duo. And it looks like a pastel yellow. That's nice. I like that colour. That's pretty. Then the next one we have got is Pinky Promise. Then the next one is Nude Panther. Oh, that's not the gel. That's the lacquer. Gel is here. Yep, Nude Panther. Then the next one we got is, it's got OG Duo again on 166. Do they not all have the name on? No, it doesn't say. It just says OG Duo 166. Which is that colour. And then the last one we have is this one, which is Slightly Brightly. Which is an orange. No glitters. I was hoping that there would be some glitter ones in there because I know people have had glitter ones. And then the last thing we have got in the box is the 2-in-1 powder. This sticker is stuck down. Sorry, I'm just trying to undo the sticker which I just ripped. Oh well. Put them off to the side so we can see what colours we've got. And it looks like I've got the exact same colour in acrylic as I had in the gel. So I had a milky white gel, and this one is also milky white. So there's that. Then we have Pinky Promise, which I do have also have in the gel colour. So yep, it looks like these powders are definitely matching the gel polish. So there's that one. Then we have Blonded Moment. And we have Slightly Brightly. And here we have Nude Panther. And then here we have Sweet Autumn. Ooh, whoopsie, dropped that. So, yeah, just to re-show everything that we got in the box. We got the Milky White in the matching lacquer and gel polish. We have the Blonded Moment. We have the Nude Panther. We have Pinky Promise. And we got Slightly Brightly. And then we got Sweet Autumn in the gel polishes. And we got exactly the same in the 2-in-1 powders. So we got the Milky White, Blonded Moment, Nude Panther, Pinky Promise, Slightly Brightly, and the Sweet Autumn. So they match up lovely. We got the Gloss It top coat. We got the Press On Gel Glue. We got a, oh, I managed to open it. We got a liner, which, ooh, I don't know, it's like a gold, like a very cool gold colour. So that's nice. We got the 8-ounce liquid monomer. We got a small thing of clear Sculpt It. 2 nail files. And a set of tips for the medium box. Yeah, all in all, I am happy with this box. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to get this monomer. I was expecting to get something else in place of it. And I didn't get the colour palette. It seems like they've put this in instead of the colour palette. So I'm going to go on their website and see if this is the same price as their colour palette. And I will try being the operative word, to get in touch with customer service to find out. Now this was £80, but I live in the UK and they charged me, Salem, stop jumping on my table, sweetie. Now they charged me £43 to deliver it, and they told me it would be delivered in 2 working days. You can guess from the date of this video that did not happen, which I will explain in the next video where I swatch all of these. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see the swatches of these and hear me rant about not polished customer service. But yeah, in all, I like what I got in the box. To be fair, I do like what I got in the box. It all came packaged lovely, nothing was damaged. So that is a positive note. And I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.